God! God, please, no! 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 No!
I have just the thing. Let's see. Here it is.
What the hell is that?
That rug thing you were talking about. Actually, it's fur that used to belong to a rabbit. But he won't be needing it ever again. Because he's dead.
Okay. I guess that works.
Here! Good boy! Oh, did he get that other one? Yeah, boss got the other one.
The big one over here, over here, over here! Good boy, boss!
Guys, let's make this a race.
Ow, my leg! My leg! Please, don't hurt me. I'll do whatever you want.
Well, there's nothing you can do.
Under the hut!
Finally.
After we cut him off, I'm gonna eat him.
Yes, yeah, mine's better, delicious.
What have we done?
Okay.
This little piggy exploded! This little piggy went wee, wee, wee! I want my freaking ¡Miren la chapiñata!
You ants stay back!
Yo, what the?
You get what you deserve.
Have